What is the best way to clean Skechers Memory Foam Shoes in a washing machine?
Hello everyone! In today's guide, we are going to walk you through the best way to clean your Skechers Memory Foam Shoes using a washing machine. It's an easy process, but to maintain the quality of your shoes, there are some key steps to follow.
Can you wash Skechers Memory Foam Shoes in a washing machine?
First, let's address a common question. Can you wash Skechers Memory Foam Shoes in a washing machine? The answer is yes. Most Skechers shoes, including the Memory Foam line, can be safely cleaned in a washing machine. But remember, there are some important steps to follow to ensure you do it right.
What will you need?
Before we get started, let's gather all the necessary items. 1. A washing machine. This will be the main tool for cleaning. 2. Laundry detergent. This will help in cleaning. Be sure to choose a mild one. 3. A pillowcase or laundry bag. This is to protect your shoes during the wash. 4. Towels. You can add these to the wash to prevent the shoes from banging around in the machine.
Preparing the shoes.
Now, let's prepare your shoes for washing. 1. Remove the laces and insoles. If possible, remove the laces and insoles from your shoes. It's best to clean these separately by hand. 2. Brush off excess dirt. Use a dry brush to remove any excess dirt from your shoes before putting them in the machine.
Washing the shoes.
Now, let's move on to washing. 1. Place the shoes in a pillowcase or laundry bag. This helps protect the shoes in your washing machine. 2. Add detergent. Add a mild laundry detergent to the machine. Do not use bleach or harsh chemicals. 3. Set the machine. Set your machine to a gentle cycle with cold water. This will help prevent any damage to your shoes. 4. Add towels. If your machine allows for it, add some towels to the wash to prevent your shoes from banging around. 5. Start the machine. Begin the washing cycle.
Drying the shoes.
Finally, after the wash cycle is done, it's time to dry your shoes. 1. Do not use a dryer. The heat from a dryer can damage your shoes. Instead, air dry them. 2. Stuff the shoes with newspaper or towels. This will help them maintain their shape while drying. 3. Place in a well-ventilated area. Put your shoes in a place where they can dry out naturally. Avoid direct sunlight or heat sources. There you have it. This is the best way to clean your Skechers Memory Foam Shoes in a washing machine. Remember, always check the care instructions on your specific pair of shoes before washing them. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep your Skechers looking as good as new, and they'll serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching.